Hopefully that's not too, nope, that's not blurry. Okay, surface area of a sphere. What is the area of a circle? No, what's the area of a circle? What's the equation? Pi r squared. Bless you. So pi r squared. Okay, we're going to start with that. And we're going to multiply it times 4. So the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared units squared. Okay? How I remember that is a graph, like of a circle, if I would graph a circle. There's 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I remember it. Okay? Area of a circle, which we should all know, right? Pi r squared times 4. No mathematical legitimacy behind that. I will not argue anybody with why it is that. I'm just going to tell you that's how I remember it. Okay? Volume, same thing, but we got to get one more r in there, don't we? Okay? So we're going to have 4 over pi r cubed, but it's 4 over 3. So remember, it's cubed, so down here is what? 3. So it's 4 thirds times pi r cubed. You can also write it 4 pi r cubed over 3, if you like it like that. Same thing. Okay? Whichever one you like better, write it like that. I tend to like it like this. So, where does the 4 pi r squared come from? The surface area, yes? And when it's volume, it's 3-dimensional. So it has to be cubed, and then we divide it by 3. Again, no mathematical legitimacy behind that at all. Nuh-uh. But will it help me remember it? Yes. So, surface area and volume. This one says rounded the nearest hundredth. I am certainly fine with you just reducing and leaving it in terms of pi. Okay? Always okay with that. So, surface area is 4 pi r squared. Write it every single time so you remember it. So, 4 pi times what? 4 pi times, what's r? 6. So what's r squared? 36. So 4 times 6 is 24. Carry a 2. 12 plus 2 is 144 pi centimeters squared.
But if we're working backwards, oh, never mind. We're finding surface area.
Okay, volume. So volume is 4 pi r cubed over 3. So 4 pi, and what is 6 cubed? 36 times 6, right? So 6 carry, what? 216. Should you already know that? Yes. 216 all over 3. Well.
And then just reduce it.
So 3 goes into 21. 7. 6. 2. So 4 times 72. So 8. So 288 pi centimeters cubed.
Okay, that's actually not that bad.
No. Okay, surface area. 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi times, what's r? 19. So you need 19 squared. If you don't know it, you should be calculating it, right? So 361. So 4, 4, 4, 1. It's a lot of fours. So 1,444 feet pi. I'm sorry, 1,444 pi feet squared. So volume. And if you think about it this way, volume, don't I just take this answer and multiply it like by 19 and divide it by 3? Isn't that what I do? Because here is 4 pi r squared. So you need your other r and your... So 4 pi r cubed over 3. So 4 pi r squared was 361 times 19 all over 3. I'm hoping 3 goes into things, but is 3 going to go into it? No. So I got some multiplying to do, don't I? Okay, I just did it for us.
6,859.
27,436 pi over 3.
I only did the variances.
Oh, if you only did the 19 cubed, just 6,859.
And then divide that by 3, it's 9,145.33.
Yeah, we're just going to leave it like that. Feet cubed. Okay, what's special about the next one? You have to divide what by 2?
Yeah.
The diameter. It gives me the diameter. I need the radius, which would be 11. So surface area would be 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi times 121. So 484 pi inches squared. Worst part about this is the multiplication, isn't it? Volume. So 4 pi r cubed over 3. So 4 pi times, 121 times 3. 121 times 11. I think it's 1,331, isn't it?
Yeah.
Over 3. And 3 does not go into 4, does it? Nope. And 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. And 3 doesn't go into 8. So does 3 go into it? Nope. So I get 4, 2, 3, 5 pi over 3 inches cubed. Is that inches cubed? Yell at me when it's too far down there. Okay, you guys try this one on your own, and that is 2.5. 2.5. No, 2.5 squared is 25 squared with 2 decimal places. So it's 6.25. Do you guys have enough light back here? Bless you.
Did you put surface area twice?
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Why did you take out the 4?
Didn't.
On volume? Because I got that, and I had to multiply by 4, I thought.
Okay. So what I did, because I knew that I was going to have to, because this is area, volume is that, right? So 4 pi r squared is my surface area. So that's 25 pi. So then I took it times another r and divided it by 3.
Well, I can do that. Oh.
You guys see what I did?
Yeah, so I
Because it came out nice. So I'm like, why would I cube it when I can just do that? Did you guys get the same thing I did?
I would have if I would have
Okay.
multiplied it by 4.
Okay. Now, the other thing is I said you could leave it with the pi in it, yes? Can you leave a decimal with a fraction? No, that is a big no. Okay? So you can do one of two things. I divided this by 3, and I'm pretty sure I did it correctly. Let me make sure. Yes, because it's 3 repeats. Okay? Or I could take and move my decimal one place and have 6250 over 30, couldn't I? And then the zeros would reduce. Wait, did I do that right? Oh, that wouldn't be a 0. I added a 0 wrong place. Sorry. Let me do that right. 625 over 30. Let's do that right. Then 5 goes into both, correct? Yeah, because you have to move the decimal here, so you have to move it here.
Okay.
Okay? So that would be 105. Oh, 1025. Sorry. I didn't carry. Over 6 pi meters squared. So either one of those you could do. I personally like leaving it like this. I don't like the decimal. Because the decimal rounded, didn't it? Yep. Questions on that? So your worksheet isn't very many, isn't it? Just like 8, 9? Okay. And it's surface area and what? Volume. I expect work on there when I go grade it. Does it say to the nearest tenth or something?
Hundred.
Hundredth? Okay. Can you leave it with pi in it like this?
Yes.
Yes.